What is up guys, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube, yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this relatively famous village of Burgundy, Côte d'Or of the Côte de Beaune sub-region of Burgundy, in fact to the south of the Côte d'Or that makes some rather famous Pinot Noir wines and very small amounts of Chardonnay-based white wines as well. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Monthelie with the typical French pronunciation Monthelie, Monthelie. So in French, TH sounds just like a T, so do not say Monthelie, but rather Monthelie. And of course, do not say Monthelie, but rather Monthelie. Monthelie, the wines from Monthelie, les vins de Pinot Noir de Monthelie, the Pinot Noir wines from Monthelie. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.